We went from this to this. Careful, don't fall. So here's the new car. And look, with a touch of a button. Ta-da! Come on guys, get in. Wait a minute.
I wanna put the baby in first.
I wanna get the car ready.
Nope.
That's how you get in.
Come on, Alex. Show us how you open the seat. So you can get him back. There you go. Climb into your seat. Put your seatbelt on.
Okay, you go to the other side. Okay.
I think he wants to sneak through. You could go under. Look it, crawl under. Yep, that way. There you go.
I'm gonna try to do that.
You got the diaper bag?
No, not right now.
No.
Gonna have to lock the door or whatever. And I guess Junior will be sitting here in the empty seat. But there's like 2 other empty seats in the back. This car fits 8. It's amazing. Don't climb over the seats, please.
Sit down in your seat and put your seatbelt on.
We went from this to this. 2012 Honda Odyssey.
Hi, Ann.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm looking for what I want at a house.
I can't make a blanket.
Not into the picture.
Alright, are we all set?
Yep.
So he's gonna do the junior chicken and waffles.
Okay.
And he would like a yogurt on the side.
Yep.
Yeah. Really?
Mommy, what's Garfield's favorite kind of book?
Junior.
Say excuse me.
You want a hint?
Yes.
He likes lasagna.
What you said? What's Garfield's favorite one?
What's
A cookbook?
yeah?
Let me have
Did you guys start something to drink?
What follows Garfield wherever he goes?
The dog.
Garfield is a cat.
Yeah, but the dog.
Yeah.
Yeah, him.
He's saying,
I don't know his name. Oh, he follows him around. No? The rat? Is it some?
tail.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Good.
That's not something though. That's just part of him. Doesn't follow him.
Garfield take but not give back.
Food?
Food. Yeah.
You could kind of take give it back.
Compliments?
I don't know. What is it?
Wait,
I don't know.
a nap.
A nap?
A nap.
Nap.
Oh, a nap.
You could take a
Yeah, he
nap.
takes a lot of naps.
You never give it back.
No. Yes. No, not now. You're gonna eat that. Pancakes. Sure.
And that. He didn't put an O and an S.
Okay. Well, no. You did the O. I'll do the X. So I'm gonna put my X here. You do an O.
Okay.
Okay. Now my turn. I'll do another X here.
Oh my God! What?
Blocker,
I'll do
blocker.
my right here.
And I'll do my X right here.
What? And I will do my right here.
Oh, you won. You got 3 in a row. You got Tic Tac Toe.
Yay.
Daddy. And I learned a trick from my friend.
Okay.
Go in the middle. Who's starting first?
You.
Okay.
There's go in. There's go in.
I won.
No cheating.
Do it again.
What?
I'll be right back to take care of this.
Why?
Yeah, it's gonna be a tie.
Oh my God.
That one didn't
So
work.
you have to go first in order to win.
Kind of, yeah.
Yeah. No.
Not.
I'm first.
Do you want to do one more tic-tac-toe with me?
Hold on.
Okay.
It's gonna be a tie again.
Can I go?
Yep. Can't win now.
Okay.
You.
Okay, you're gonna do it.
Is it okay if I win?
Nope. I'm gonna
No, I'm gonna try and win.
Oh my! You have to block them.
Oh.
Exactly.
And O, not an X.
What?
You're gonna do like
Oh, I'm gonna.
No. Look out. Look. No, wait. Look.
How can you get 3 in a row?
No.
No.
Where?
Look. You have one here, and you have one here.
3 in a row. Just like that.
You won.
Tic Tac Toe, that's how you do it. You gotta get 3 in a row.
Oh.